Hello everyone. Hello and namaskar. How are you my dear kids? Hope you are happy and safe at your home. I am again ready to teach you EVS. Okay, so which chapter we are doing? We are doing chapter number 8. And what is the name of this chapter? Yes, our body. The name is our body. Now we have completed our reading portion and now we are on this page number 76. So are you ready with your pencil, eraser and textbook? Let's start this exercise. Write true for the true statement and false for the false one. Means you have to do true and false. We will do only T and F. So let's start. First number. We have two sense organs. Do we have two sense organs? How many sense organs do we have? How many? 5. We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Again, how many sense organs? 5. So, first one is false. So, write down F here. Number 2. Skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Skin is the largest sense organ. As we check all the sense organs, 5 sense organs like nose, ears, tongue, this much, and eyes. Only this much. Okay, and what about our skin? Start from here. Yes, and back side, and then after largest. So which is the largest sense organ? Skin. So this statement is correct. So write down T here. T for true. Number 3. A baby grows into a child. Here is also written a baby. Look at this small baby. A baby grows into a child. So tell me, this sentence is true or false? Yes, it is true. A baby grows into a child. A baby grows into a child. So write down true here. Now let's do this activity. So first one, which of these things can you do on your own without any help from a grown up? बड़ों की हेल्प के बिना, ग्रोन अप मीन्स बड़े लोग, बड़ों की हेल्प के बिना आप कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हो? मार्क देम विथ अ टिक मार्क. Here is given, these are 4 boxes and you have to tick mark. Let's see which activities are these. First, comb your hair. Can you comb your hair? Yes, if you try, you can comb your hair. So, tick, correct. Number 2, take a bath. Can you take a bath? Yes, you can take your bath yourself. Okay, so tick the correct answer. Number C, drive a car. Can you drive a car? No, because you are very small kids, so you cannot drive a car. So cross here. Number D, do your homework. Are you able to do your homework do yourself? Yes, you can do your homework yourself. So correct, this you can do, this also you can do, this also you can do, but you cannot drive a car, right? Okay, now number 2 here. Name one more thing. Name one more thing. एक और ज़्यादा चीज़ that you can do on your own. You have to write here. Okay, you have to write here in this blank. Which things you can do yourself, as you can comb your hair, as you can take a bath, as you can do your homework yourself. Which other things you can do yourself? Yes, you can pack your bag, you can fill your water bottle, you can help your mother. So many other activities that you can play even yourself, right? You can play games. Okay, you can phone your friend. Okay, so this activity you can do yourself. You can write here any one activity. As I have written, I can pack my bag for you, right? So I have written for you. You can write yourself. Okay, now next page, and this is our key term. Only one key term we have in this chapter, right? So the key term is sense organs. Sense organs. Sense organs. What is called sense organ? The part of our body that help us to know. The parts of our body that help us to know about the world around us. About the world around us. This is called sense organs. So what are sense organs? The 5 sense organs that help us to know about the world around us. It is called sense organs. So learn this key term. Okay. So now we are on this exercise. Are you ready to solve this? Let's start the first one. Objective type questions. A. Choose the correct option. Means you have to tick the correct option. Number 1. This is not a part of our face. This is not a part of our face. Let's check which are these. Nose, ears and mouth. Show me your nose. Where is your nose? It is on your face. Correct. Number 2. Ears. It is also on your face. And mouth. Mouth is also on your face. But which part is not on your face? And it is thumb. It is a part of our hand. So thumb is not a part of our face. So tick the C. Number 2. This part of our body helps us to hold a pencil. Okay? Let's check. Leg, mouth, face and hand. Which part help us to hold a pencil? If you want to write something, if you want to draw something, you hold a pencil, right? So which part help us to hold a pencil? Yes, it is our hand. So which part we will take? Hand. Leg, mouth and face? No. The correct answer is D. Hand. Okay. Now number 3. This part of our body helps us to walk. Which part help us to walk? Come on, show me. Walk from here to there and come back. Yes, I am also moving. Yes, I am back. Which part I use and which part you use? Yes, we use our leg. Which part we use to walk? We use our leg to walk. So everyone, tick number A, leg. Number 4. This sense organ helps us to taste. Everyone, if you are eating something, which part help us to taste? Our tongue. Our tongue help us to taste. Okay. What about skin? Skin help us to feel. Eyes help us to see the things. And nose help us to smell. But our tongue help us to taste food. So tick the tongue. Number 5. This is the largest sense organ. Which is the largest sense organ? Yes, our skin is the largest sense organ. So tick the skin. Okay, now let's start B. Write true for the true statement and false for the false one. True and false. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Our body has many parts. Okay, now tell me. How many sense organs do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. But body parts, we have many body parts. Eyes, nose, ear, cheek, nose, lips, teeth, tongue, chin and neck, chest, hands, fingers and stomach and leg and toes and knee and ankle, elbow and inside body also many parts. So we have many body parts. Okay. How many body parts? Many. How many body parts? Many body parts. But sense organs we have only 5. Sense organs we have only 5. But body parts many. Body parts many. So first sentence is true. We have sorry, our body has many parts. Yes, our body has many parts. So write down T here. Number 2. Our hands help us to taste. Now tell me, our hand help us to taste? No, our tongue help us to taste. Our tongue help us to taste. Our hand, not our hand help us to feel. Our skin help us to feel, but our tongue help us to taste. So number 2 is false. Number 2 is false. Write down F here. Number 3. We run with our legs. Do we run with our legs? Come on, run from here to there. So which part do you use? Yes, you used your legs. You used your legs. So we run with our legs. It is correct. So write down T here. Number 4. We have 5 sense organs. Now you tell me the correct answers. How many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. And body parts, many. Body parts, many. But 5 sense organs, 5 only. Sense organs, 5 only. So we have 5 sense organs. It is true. So write down T here. And number 5. When we grow, we become smaller. When we grow, we become smaller? No, when we grow, we become bigger. As you can see in this picture, when we grow, we become taller, not smaller, right? So, it is false. It is false. When we grow, we become taller, not smaller, right? So it is false. So how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Which is the largest sense organ? Our skin. Our skin cover our body, and our skin is the largest sense organs. How many body parts we have? We have many body parts. And what are the names of your sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So, hope you enjoy the study. Bye-bye everyone.